Look at it, big chunks came out. Look at it. And did you see the chunk that came out? There's a big chunk just came out. So that's usually you get the smaller bottle of Ronson. I think there's more of a pocket size, and that would be the whole size. But this is your, and you get in here, and if you want to look and see, you could see all the crap coming out of my trigger right there. And that's all that was up in there. And then you got to clean it out, a little bit of rim oil and stuff, and wipe it down. That's how you clean that out. And now it's all shiny and clean, and then I'll go grab some stuff and wipe it down. I got some crap in there, but you can see where it all pulled up and settled in. And then, like I said, clean everything up, wipe it all down, get all this taken care of, and get all the junk and stuff out of here so you can clean it, wipe all that down. So that's, look at, I even have all the dirt is all up in here. So that's what you're gonna end up having to clean everything, is to get, look at it, all the dirt in here. All that dirt has got to get cleaned out. But then you're gonna wipe it down and clean it. You're gonna make sure it's all good in there. And this thing got sandblasted to hell and back. And that's why you got to kind of do your maintenance stuff that way. You can see all the dirt and sand gridded up. So it's not fancy, but it works.